So as for the issue of South Africa, let me just say, ever since I took office, I'm in touch with about 14 presidents. We don't go through secretaries and so on. We just call each other like this. About 14. 4 in the West, 2 in East Central, I have some, Southern Africa, President Masisi, very daily nearly. So I'm in touch with people. This thing happened in South Africa, there will be a court case maybe. Let's see what they're going to say I have done. It's a criminal case. People were here, somebody came here illegally, was arrested. He was later on charged, paid, and went back to South Africa.
Lo mongameli waseNamibia ude wathetha phandle ngalomba uthi uyayazi malunga netyala elibandakanya abemi baseNamibia abatyholwa ngokuphanga imali ebalelwa kwi-4 million US dollars kwifama kamongameli Cyril Ramaphosa eLimpopo ngo-2020. Umnumzana Geingob uthi zange wanika nabani na uncedo olungafanelekanga.
So I don't know what favor I would have done anybody. So let's see it. Let them bring it up in the court. It's going to be in the court. So let's not divert from this. It's a big issue, it's true, but I didn't come for that here. I wanted to account to the sovereigns about the mission I undertook with my colleagues. But other issue, yes, it will come up in the courts. Let me prove how one has helped President Cyril Ramaphosa. That will answer if it comes to talking to him, talking to Masisi, talking to nearly about every week.
OkaRamaphosa umile kwelokuba umsulwa uthi zange waba mali kuye nabani na kodwa ingcali zithi iarhente zonyanzeliso mthetho kuza kufuneka zinyuse umxakatho ngenxa yobuzaza belityala.
The fact that the criminal case has been opened in such a high-profile case in which the president stands accused and based on serious allegations of irregular activities, law enforcement agencies, yes, should be involved. There should be proper investigations. There should be, for the sake of South Africa, determining if there's any veracity in any of the claims being made.
Kusenjalo uMzantsi Afrika neNamibia zinamatyatha ngentsebenziswano nanjengoko lamazwe esondelelene kwaye ingamazwe arhwebelanayo ukanti umongameli Cyril Ramaphosa uthembise ukusebenzisana nabaphandi kulomba.